Hello and thank you for contacting Wave Support. With this Keratoconus lens, you're struggling a little bit with lack of movement and difficulty getting the over-refraction into this design. So if you look at your design, if you look in that horizontal meridian, you'll see in the very center of the lens you have some touch. You got this there's a little gap, and then you got reasonable alignment in the peripheral part of the lens, but as you see, that changes in the different meridians. Since the lens moves very little, I agree that going to a tangential design can help out. That usually flattens things up maybe a quarter or a half diopter. And if that's physiologically acceptable, that may be the easiest thing to do. But the other thing you may consider if I switch over to tangential, sometimes if you put a little bit of a spheric component in here, that's a little S factor, just click in a little bit and then redesign the lens. We'll give Wave a moment to reconstruct that lens design. And now you have a lens that's actually very nicely aligned in all the meridians. So now if you're looking at that back surface of the lens, you have a little bit more even contour. And then sometimes that'll allow that lens to be a little bit more nicely aligned on that cornea. You may want to, if you're still concerned about adherence, just click up on that pink dot a little bit, but this may sometimes give you a little nicer design all the way around. As far as adding the over-refraction in, I'm not sure if you're having difficulty with your version of Wave, but I was able to click on the over-refraction here, go to More, and at the bottom add in the required 2 diopters of over-refraction, use and continue. And that added in a couple diopters to the overall lens power. So just use that over refraction tool down here if you can. Just use the More, and that usually does it for you. Hopefully find that that's helpful. If you have any questions, contact Wave Support. Otherwise, have a great day.